trendybeats.com.
Ọba apanijini ajínigbani ọba di àràbà tára olè fàyà. Àgò onílé, àgò àlejò, onílé mo kọ́ àgò. Ọmọ yìí ti dé o, ewúrẹ́ tó wọlé tí kò kàgò ìyẹn dẹ̀rùn àmúso. Ìbà o, ìbà o, ìbà ìbà o, ìbà kọ́dá ìbà ṣẹ̀dá o. Iba o, ayé tótó, ayé akámara. Iba o, mo ṣe bá wọn tọ́lọ́hún mi gbá ayé fún. Iba o, iba o, iba o, iba ṣe ẹ̀bẹ̀ mo bẹ̀ yín tó láyé. Ẹ jẹ́ kí ìbàjú mi ṣe. Ìbàdàn Olódùmarè ọba tó fún.
You asked for it, and we have what? We have listened. Ladies and gentlemen, due to popular demand, I am here live in the city of Ibadan. Yes, where I'm currently standing is called the Abeokuta Ibadan expressway, meaning in front of me is 10 minutes to Apata, and hey, coming behind me is people coming from Abeokuta. So like I said, today I am here to introduce to you a juicy offer in the city of Ibadan. And hey, it is strategically positioned by the road, like you say. So for you to get a crisp and full information of this offer, you need to watch the video till the very end. To Palms County Estate. Now, this is a property that is located in Ibadan, like I said earlier, and the exact location is Omi-Adio in Apata. Yes, it is very close to Apata, just 10 minutes drive from Apata in Ibadan, Oyo State. For those of you who are familiar with Ibadan, you know where Apata is. Apata is one popular location in Ibadan, and I say to you, it's a straight road to this particular property. Now you can see for yourself that the accessibility to this property is easy. The road is down all the way from Apata to hitting this place. And like I mentioned earlier, you can connect Abeokuta from here where we are standing. So speaking about a property that is affordable and is strategically located, this is it, ladies and gentlemen. Now let me give you guys the Jisu offer that is available on this property. I told you guys before that buying an affordable land, a cheap land in Ibadan or Epe without title is a no-no. And this is why a lot of you have asked me for prices like this. And that's why with all joy, I'm bringing it to you. Now, when it comes to buying an untitled land in Oyo State, Ibadan precisely, it is easy. And guess what? The CFO of this property is going to be held in a number of weeks. Yes, you get that right. Very, very shortly, the CFO will be out because the processes have started way before this property starts selling. Now, you have two options right here. You can either buy 600 square meter at 2.5 million naira or 300 square meter at 1.5 million naira only. So this payment can be spread across 12 months with interest. However, of course, the regular 3 months without interest is also an option for you. So your 2.5 million naira, of course, gets you to pay within 3 months. Now let's talk about what you need right now to reserve your plot is just 500,000 naira. And of course, like I said, you can spread your payment across 3 months without interest, or all the way to 6 and 12 months with interest. Now, this is a fast-growing location. For those of you who are looking to own acres of land, for land banking, this is a very perfect option for you. Like I said, you see that it is facing a major road, and of course, it is accessible. There are so many buildings around this property. So this is not a far inside the bush that's going to take 5-10 years time. In fact, we have an industry right in front of this estate that you can see for yourself right there. So yes, accessibility is one of the selling points of this particular property. Now let's talk about the landmarks very close to this property. First of all, I've talked about Apata, right? 10 minutes drive away from Apata. And let's talk about the Ladoke Akintola train station. Yes, we have a train station all the way from Lagos to this Ibadan, right? And then you have different places where the train stop. So we have the Ladoke train station, like 3 minutes drive from where we have this property. Now, this is Omi-Adio. So yes, you know that also Command Day School is very close to this particular property. These prices are only valid till 15th of July. So it's up to you right now to call me and come and reserve your plot. For us in Nigeria Realty 24/7, we care about you investors, especially those of you who are still looking for cheap properties to buy and you want to buy it in a safe place where you will not throw your money into the ocean, like I said. So this is it for you. With 15 million naira, you can get yourself 6 plots right here in this estate. So what are you waiting for? Now is the time you need to start dialing my number right now. Let me help you make your reservation right here in Palms County Estate. Now, let me tell you one interesting thing about this estate. Allocation is done every month, meaning every last Saturday of the month. Everyone who has paid for their land and all documentation, we get their allocation. So this is music to your ears. I know this is not one of the estates that you will regret buying, or you will buy and wait for ages before allocation is done. You will get your allocation this month of July that you're watching, if you're watching in July. And guess what? Even if you are buying on installment, the moment you're done with all of your payment, you will get your allocation. Now, the other fee is 750,000 naira. Okay. There are commercial plots that you can build anything you want, no restriction. As to the kind of things you can do with your commercial plot. Now, the commercial plot per plot of 600 square meter is selling at 3.5 million. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. This is a gold mine for you, live in the ancient city of Ibadan. So where are my fellow Ibadan people? Did I say fellow? Trust me, I'm always the citizen of every state in Nigeria. So yes, my fellow Ibadan people. This is it for you. Come own your own plots right here today. I will be delighted to help you become a proud landowner here in Palms County Estate. So I am waiting for your call. Until then, ensure that you remain safe and awesome just the way you are. So I say to you, oh, double.